Hey guys, it's Andy at Muscle in the Mountains Magazine. I am here in Spruce Pine, North Carolina at a fundraiser car show for the Correctional Peace Officers Foundation. And let's walk around and see what we can see. Here we go with a really cool 56 Chevy. I love this style. Check it out. He has a sticker that I'm very fond of here. It says, "Yes, it's cool, and no, I'm not going to paint it." Maybe that answers a few questions. Very, very cool. Check out that paint. Nice. Very nice. So 41 Chevy. Anybody know what that paint's called? Let me hear about it if you do. What do you call this? This paint, this color. Too bad it's overcast today. That really gleam in the sun. Maybe that's a 50 Studebaker. Yep. 50 Studebaker Champion. '64 Impala. That's that 409, 425 horse. Mercy. I've videoed this car before and I'll love it every time. Very, very, very cool.
You haven't had a chance to register your car yet, come out and see me. It's $20 a car.
Very cool.
You get the old prize ticket with a food coupon. You're being put on by Agricultural Correctional Institution. This is for the Corrections and Peace Officers Foundation. And we got top 10 awards, we got the best of show, and we also have a people's choice.
1930 Ford Model A, 4-door sedan. That's cool.
We have several gift certificates over here.
Dodge.
And also we have some folks here selling die-cast cars right here to my left.
This is the Little Red Express truck.
We have Toby here beside us. She's got some pretty good stuff out.
Which is a 1978 Dodge.
And also they just told me they got bologna, egg, and cheese sandwiches ready over here. If anybody wants the bologna, egg, and cheese sandwich for $3. And they also have drinks over there.
They're as original as you can get.
Yes, sir. So it's all original 289 4-barrel 65 convertible. I love these wheels too. That's one of my favorite designs on those. Oh yeah.
That's what did come on.
Right. With the double line. That's cool.
That's the only year you could buy it.
Oh wow. So 65 was the only year for the double red line.
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh, it's a beautiful car, brother.
Thank you. I had to have it repainted
Right.
because the old guy, the original owner, died. I bought this from his daughter, but he had ripped all the paint off the hard drive. He had buffed it and buffed it and buffed
Right.
it, but I couldn't bring it back.
Oh no.
It kept it finished.
Yeah. That looks great.
This is the original car.
Oh wow. Oh, that's amazing.
Interior.
Luggage rack. Yeah, my first car was a 65 Mustang, but it didn't look like this. I got a 71 Chevy Nova. Like that vinyl top. Very cool. Very cool. That runs pretty good. '84 square body Chevy. This truck sounds pretty tough. But it runs good. Copperhead. So it says on the windshield. You gotta love these. Engine compartment you can climb in and work on. Alright, so here is a 93 Camaro with a Firebird Ram Air hood, Firebird trunk lid, and a 383 stroker. Folks, this car is for sale. Anybody interested, let me know in the comments and I'll put you in touch with this fella. Jerry's 41 coupe. Very, very cool. How about a Fairlane, folks? Look at that. Club sedan, 1956. Ford F-100, twin I-beam custom cab. That looks cool. It's a 65 model. I love this interior on this 54. It's pretty Ford. Step side, that wood.
Something like them smelling. I even changed some of them. Still look like.
1956 Chevy pickup. I like this. And a little bit of pinstriping still showing here. So he's starting the music back. Hopefully I can just put a little music underneath this and cover up what he's got going on there. We'll see. You may not be able to hear this audio just because of the music playing. Alright, we got a 1967 Mustang. Such a pretty body style on these. Red interior. That looks nice. 289 badges. Yeah. Very nice. Gotta love 67. 2014 Porsche Boxster S. Cool looking. I'd like to see that with the top down. Alright guys, 50 Chevy. Very, very cool. Resto mod. He's got a lot of modern amenities on this truck. Very nice. Couple of Thunderbirds here. 2002, I believe. A yellow one. '04 Corvette. Z06 package. 405 horse. '54 Ford. Corvette. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like what we're doing here, hit that like button. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, then hey, give us a subscribe on the channel, and we love to hear from you in the comments.